Hello everyone and welcome to Informatica support videos. I am Namrata from Global Customer Support team, and in this video we will learn how to perform the search service cleanup in data quality domain. The agenda of this video would cover the scenarios in which we'll have to perform a search service cleanup. This will be followed by a quick demonstration. When do we need to perform a search service cleanup? Sometimes in the search service logs, we'll see errors regarding the search service deployed files or folders. When we start up the search service, if it keeps on loading and never comes up in the admin console, if there is any issue in updating the properties of the search service, or if the search service properties and process tabs are not seen in the admin console, the customer support team would suggest you to perform the search service cleanup. Let's move to the demonstration. To start a cleanup activity, we have to initially disable the search service. If at all the search page is not available in the admin console, you can kill the process from the backend. The service is disabled. Let's move to the Informatica server to start the cleanup activity.
We will have to take note of the index location configured in the search service properties. Here the location is specified as /. This would indicate the InfaHome Tomcat bin, where a folder named search data would be created. This folder will contain all the search index files. Log into the Informatica server machine and navigate to InfaHome Tomcat bin. Here we see a folder of the name search data created. We'll take a backup of this folder and we'll delete the original folder. Next, we'll move to InfaHome Tomcat temp directory. Here also you'll see a folder created of the search service name. We'll take a backup of this folder and we'll delete the original folder. Next, we'll be navigating to InfaHome Services Search Service. Here we'll be deleting the Search Symphony folder. Never delete the WAR files. The WAR files contain the binaries which will be required to redeploy the search service. We have finished a search cleanup activity on the server machine. We'll move back to the admin console and enable the search service. The search service has come up successfully. We have finished a cleanup activity. For detailed steps on redeploying the search service or performing a search service cleanup, you can refer to the following KB. Do let us know for any further feedback at supportvideos@informatica.com. You can also reach out to us at our Twitter handle. Thank you for your time.